Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, I want to talk about how to play against people who know how to play chess, but instead of playing a normal opening, they will play passively and somewhat solidly. This is from a game that a student of mine and I played during a lesson against someone rated 1535. Okay, let's take a look. E4, E6, D4. And now the normal move would be the French defense, pawn C5. Black can also do something like C5, which is absolutely fine. But black played A6. It's not a mistake, but it's a little bit passive. We developed the knight, and now H6 again. A lot of people play these moves. They're not mistakes, but black is not developed yet. And at some point, this might make a difference. So there are many moves here. We can build a better center. Evan and I decided to play knight c3, just develop another piece. Black plays b6, and we play bishop d3. Why d3 instead of c4? Well, on c4, it doesn't do very much. If you imagine this pawn not being here, c4 is a good square. But right now, it just blocked, and at some point, black might gain time on the bishop with pawn b5 or pawn g5. And here, the reason why this is a good square is if black castles, our bishop becomes good. So black plays bishop b7, makes sense. We develop another piece. Black double attacks this pawn, but of course this pawn is double defended. And we castle. And black plays knight g4 because he wants to trade the knight for the bishop. And it's not terrible to allow this trade, but at some point later, we might end up needing this bishop in the game. So we played bishop f4. Just get out of this, and now it's black's move. Black plays d6 again, very solid, but black only has two pieces out. And we play d5, and the reason behind e5 is this knight now doesn't have any squares. For example, if we go back and we play pawn h3, it can run away. But now he cannot. And this is the idea. This knight is very close to being trapped. When you see your opponent's piece getting or sitting far in your position, ask yourself, is there a way I can try to trap it? Black took, with a pawn, again controlling the square, renewing this threat. So black played h5, smart move. Now his knight can escape. We played queen e2. Why did we play queen e2? Because we want to put a rook on this line, because there is a queen on the other side. And the queen helps to support this square a little. And also maybe something at some point can go to e4. Black plays knight c6. The downside of knight c6, he blocks his bishop. We play rook d1. Notice this rook. And now we are threatening to take the pawn with a discovery. And by the way, notice if we take, bishop takes back, attacks our queen, but then we take the queen with check, which means he doesn't have time to take this one. Black plays queen e7. He realizes the threat, so he gets away. And now, a few things to note. Black would like to castle, but then this pawn is going to fall because it's double attacked. Right now it's double defended, but it's not going to be double defended if black castles. So the question here is, what do we do? Well, we can play h3, which is fine. But the other thing to ask is, what does black want? Well, black wants to play something like knight b4. Maybe to trade his knight with the bishop, maybe to reposition the knight here and try to trade here, which is why we spend a move to play pawn a3. Black plays g6. The point of g6 is black wants to castle this way. He wants to play bishop g7 and castle. The downside is now this square becomes really weak. And we would like to get the knight on this square. The problem is it's now being covered by the knight. So first, we kick this knight, the knight leaves, and this is how you come up with a plan. And now we could play knight here. Evan wanted to play bishop g5, which is also good. Tags the queen, tries to come in here, and the queen has to go here, and the knight e4 will happen with tempo. That's another really good idea. So queen c5, we played knight e4, attacking the queen. The knight also wants to go here. And black plays knight d4. And now Evan realized something. He realized that we could just take. And the reason we can take is after queen takes back, which did not happen, there is a simple tactic. The rook is on the same line as the queen, so there is a discovery. Black realized that also, so he did not do that. If he goes here, there is a different tactic. Now it's on the same line as the queen. So now this wins because the queen attacks this queen and the knight checks. So taking that pawn doesn't work either. Black took the knight, but we take back. And the logic is if he now castles, there are a number of good moves, one of them being queen here. And in the game, he did not castle, he plays here. And now there is a very simple checkmate in one move. Very nice, very instructive game. It shows you how to take advantage of the fact that your opponent does not develop and how to take advantage of the weaknesses which he creates. Every time a pawn is moved, to provide a more specific point, a puzzle weakness can be created. A good example of that is when black played here. That creates a weakness on this square. And this is the question which you should always ask yourself after a pawn moves. What changed? What's different? What's weak? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment, and I'll be back soon. Thank you.